Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate Nutella fudge. Start by lining an 8x8 pan and measuring 1 cup Nutella, 1 can sweetened condensed milk, and 1/2 cup butter. Gently heat the milk and butter, then whisk in Nutella and 1 cup chocolate chips until smooth. Pour into the pan, chill until firm for about 2 hours, then slice and enjoy with friends or as a quick dessert. Start with low heat and patience to avoid burning the mixture. Stir constantly while combining condensed milk, butter, Nutella, and chocolate chips. When the fudge is glossy and thick enough to coat a spoon, remove from heat, transfer to the prepared pan, and smooth the top. Press optional nuts or sea salt, chill until set, let it rest 10 minutes before slicing for cleaner edges, then serve warm or room temperature. Try swapping half the chocolate chips for chopped hazelnuts to amplify the Nutella flavor, or stir in a teaspoon of vanilla for depth. For a lighter texture, fold in 1/4 cup of crushed biscuits gently. To make salted caramel fudge, drizzle caramel and sprinkle flaky salt before chilling. Always taste as you go and adjust sweetness, then chill properly so clean squares hold their shape when sliced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.